today I have a review on a new BB cream. This is by Missha, and this is their Perfect Cover Serum BB cream. I actually picked this up during the Amazon Prime sale, and I had been eyeing quite a few BB creams, to be honest with you guys, because I love me a tint. I love a good glow. I love anything that's very lightweight on the skin. And a lot of the Korean brands have that for us. On the other hand, a lot of these Korean brands I feel like are lacking when it comes to shade range. So not all of them have a good shade range because of the fact that they cater more to their population, which are lighter skin tones. But I feel like they have seen a great you know, what's that called, like a great amount of, not great, what's the word I'm looking for, a huge amount of influx of people from the US loving their products. So I feel like a lot of them are expanding their shade range, and I was so curious about this one. I do still have a few other ones on there, so let me know if you guys want more reviews like this. I've been trying to get back into doing reviews of products that I've you know, really love or have been trying out or I'm curious about. So this is one of them. Let me stop yipping at me. But I got the shade number 25. This comes with 1.18 fluid ounces. I bought this for like $15, but I want to say it's under $20 anyway, or 20 something dollars. And this is a BB cream. It's formulated with fermented like serum, superfoods like beet, carrot, cabbage, blueberry, and eggplant. It's supposed to be like your skin, but better. It's supposed to give you a 24-hour radiance. On their box, they describe this as skin rejuvenating, tightens and firms, glowing radiance, and long lasting. It is dermatology tested. It's made in Korea. And like I said, I'm the shade 25. I will have a try on here to the side, but let me go ahead and show you guys my shade here. And this is what it looks like. It is more on the yellow side. I would have liked a little bit more of a neutral tone, but I felt like from the swatches I saw on their Instagram, it seemed like the shade up was going to be too dark and the shade down was a little bit too gray undertone. So I went ahead and went for this one. I still feel like it fits really nicely. It's actually what I have on my skin today. I will show you guys the try on here so you guys can see it on half of my face. This blends like nobody's business. It is gorgeous. I just recently saw that Cardi B is one of their spokesperson, and she applies it to her face and looks flawless. She just does it with her fingers. And I just feel like this is so gorgeous. It looks like skin. That's what it looks like. Like even here on my forehead, it just feels like it looks like skin. It is just gorgeous. It blends beautifully. It makes your skin exactly what they say, like your skin but better. You know how everybody was always looking for that lipstick or lip color that was like your lips but better? I feel like this is that, but for BB creams. They did such a good job. I hope that they keep expanding the range. I'm happy that I was able to find a shade that matched me. So like I said, I'm number 25. I run around like an NC 25 on MAC. I'll try to put some of my shades down below for you guys, but I feel like they did a great job. The longevity on here is really, really nice. I set it with a light dusting of powder, and I have no issues with it lasting my whole shift. Even around my nose area, I feel like it wears better. I have been trying to be better about touching my nose a lot. I do this a lot. I don't know why it's like a tick, but I feel like I've been doing better about not touching my face a lot at work. And I feel like even like at work, I feel like the longevity is there. By the time I finish my shift, it's still there. My cheek products are still on. It looks gorgeous. I love how lightweight this is. It doesn't feel heavy. It just literally feels like I put on a cream, but like a tinted cream, obviously. So it just I don't know. And even the dry down is just absolutely beautiful on this. And just spectacular. I only have positive things to say about this. I think my only negative would be that I want more Korean brands to keep expanding their range. I do feel like they have quite a few shades in this. If I'm not mistaken, I'll try to put how many there are around the screen, or put like a video here to the side. But I feel like they did such a good job. I don't think that this has any SPF, right? Yeah, this doesn't have any kind of SPF or anything. It's absolutely gorgeous. I highly recommend if you're looking for something lightweight. It has like a light to medium coverage, but it just feels like nothing on your skin and just makes your skin just look beautiful. I feel like they just did such a good job, and the finish is more of a satin finish. It's not like full matte, but not fully glowy either. And then it does have a really good skincare in there as well, because they claim that this also is going to help with skin rejuvenation. Like I said, it has a serum in there, and just 10 out of 10. Absolutely love. I feel like they did such a spectacular job. I am down for any recommendations when it comes to BB creams, skin tints. I already own quite a few that I'm trying to do reviews on, like the Danessa Myricks, Rare Beauty, the Smashbox Halo. So I already love skin tints, but Korean products, they just kill it. I hope that more of them do like Missha and Tier and keep expanding their ranges. But this is absolutely out of the ballpark. Love it. Longevity, radiance, skin-like, lightweight, just doesn't feel like anything on your skin. I feel like it just looks gorgeous, and I feel beautiful when I wear it, which is the most important part. Let me know your thoughts down below. Have you tried this? Will you try it now? I'd love to hear your feedback. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know any recommendations when it comes to concealers or skin tints or anything down below. I appreciate you guys so much. I have socials down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.